Hi, I'm Shayna.
Hi, I'm Shira from How to ABA and the Behavior Resource.
So we're going to talk about extinction. What is extinction? Extinction is what I've always been told is ignoring the behavior. And when I first started in this field, ignoring the behavior also meant ignoring the students. So I would really, okay, this is extinction. I'm ignoring you. I'm ignoring you. I'm ignoring you. And that's so not what extinction is. Really, I think to really understand the full picture of extinction, we need to understand what the function of behavior is. So, with any negative behavior, you're looking to see not only what the negative behavior is, but also why is the child engaging in it? And, for all of you BCBAs out there, that should come pretty naturally, right? The function of behavior, why is that child doing it? For escape, attention, is it a tangible, etc. So, extinction is just taking away that reinforcement. So putting a child on extinction or having an extinction protocol means I'm not going to give attention to an attention maintained behavior, or I'm not going to let the child escape if the behavior is a function of escape, etc. I'm not going to give you a tangible if that's what you really want, and that's why you're engaging in the negative behavior. And that's what extinction is. So extinction is not ignoring the behavior. Extinction is not ignoring the child. Extinction is ignoring the behavior and ignoring that function. With extinction, though, you have to be careful because extinction means truly not providing any of it any of the time. And that can be really difficult as a parent and as a professional, right? So, for example, Shira, if you were engaging in negative behavior for attention, I don't know, make a funny face or something, right? If you were engaging in negative behavior for attention and it was a funny face, I could ignore that. Or maybe I can't, maybe I would just be laughing or something, and that's not cool. But if Shira was actually running away and I had to chase after her, that's attention, and I can't ignore that because that's a safety issue. So, if you're going to do something or write a behavior protocol that involves extinction, be careful that somebody has to be able to do it completely 100% of the time, because otherwise another name for extinction that's only done every so often is actually intermittent reinforcement.
Yeah, and I say so often what extinction really is you don't have to ignore the child. You can ignore the behavior without ignoring the child. And there are so many ways that you can redirect without providing attention, or move the child onto something else without giving them access to the tangible that they might be having that meltdown about. Another important thing to remember when implementing extinction is making sure that you are providing replacement skills to the child, because if they don't have those skills as alternatives to the negative behavior, then we're really doing them a disservice. So if you're starting with a child who is having a meltdown because they haven't learned something like a first then contingency, that how to follow a demand, or how to complete a one-step instruction, or how to wait their turn, and all of a sudden you're ignoring behavior without giving them an alternative of teaching them how to do these skills, then they're really not going to learn anything. So it is really important when you're looking at an extinction protocol to be complementing it with a strong replacement skill and making sure that they've mastered enough of that skill to be able to sustain the extinction procedure. So that's really important when implementing extinction.